Hey there. So, you want to make a comedy movie that'll leave everyone rolling on the floor laughing? You've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share my ultimate guide to creating a hilarious movie. Let's dive in. First things first, the script. This is your comedy Bible. Think of it as the blueprint for all the laughs. Your script needs to be sharp, witty, and full of unexpected twists. Don't just rely on punchlines, develop funny situations and let your characters react naturally. And remember, timing is everything. A joke delivered too soon or too late can fall flat. Like that time I tried to tell a joke at a funeral. Yeah, bad timing. Next up, casting. Your actors are the backbone of your comedy. You want people who can deliver lines with perfect comedic timing. Think about legends like Bill Murray or Kristen Wiig. They have an innate sense of when to go big and when to keep it subtle. And don't be afraid to let them improvise. Sometimes the funniest moments aren't even in the script, like when Bill Murray ad-libbed his entire character in Caddyshack. Pure gold. Now let's talk about direction. As a director, you've got to keep the energy high. Comedy thrives on pace and rhythm. Don't linger too long on a scene that's not funny. Keep it moving. Use quick cuts, funny sound effects, and visual gags to keep the audience engaged. Think of Edgar Wright's style in Shaun of the Dead with those fast zoom-ins and whip pans. It's like giving your audience a visual sugar rush. But wait, there's more. Sound is crucial too. A well-timed sound effect can turn a mildly funny scene into a gut-buster. Remember the bowing sound when someone slips on a banana peel? Classic. And don't forget the score. A quirky, upbeat soundtrack can set the tone and keep the audience in a good mood. No one's laughing if the music sounds like a funeral march. Alright, let's move to editing. This is where the magic happens. You need to cut out anything that doesn't serve the laugh. Be ruthless. If a joke isn't working, let it go. And always test your film with a live audience if possible. Their reactions will tell you what's working and what's not. Lastly, never underestimate the power of a good title. Something catchy that gives a hint of the humor inside. Like Superbad or Anchorman. It's the cherry on top of your comedy sundae, so there you have it. My ultimate guide to making a hilarious comedy movie. Remember, comedy is all about taking risks and not being afraid to look silly. So get out there and make something that'll have everyone laughing till they cry. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tips.